Hello friends, how are you? Today in this video, if you face a problem, Clash of Clans keep stopping this error. I will explain you how to fix this error. First of all friends, like this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. First of all, go to your mobile play store and type here Clash of Clans. Now, first of all, if updates available, updates this game. If not available, go back and go to your mobile setting. First of all, update the games. Now second, go to your mobile setting and then click on apps. Now search here Clash of Clans. This is a game. Otherwise you can search here this app. Now click on Clash of Clans. Now here first of all click on force stop. Then second click on usage storage. Now here click on clear data. Now below click clear cache. Click clear cache. Now open your Clash of Clans. Hope this solve will be error. Otherwise check your internet connection or restart your mobile and then open this game. Thanks for watching.